So I just finished a 30-day experiment that honestly terrified me. I post on TikTok every single day for a month doing affiliate marketing. And the result? They are not what you all expect. I made some money, yeah, but that's not even the interesting part. What I learned about the platform, about what actually works in 2026, completely changed how I think about content creation. I am Rishit Roy, and before we get into the numbers, I need to tell you something. This video is not about some magical formula that's gonna make you rich overnight. If that's what you are hearing for, this is not it. But if you are going to be real breakdown, the wins, the complete failures, and the exact strategy I did use if I started over today, then you are in the right place. And hey, if you are getting value from this video, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. If it actually helps me, then you think, and I promise you make content that's worth your time. Alright, so let me set the sense. January 2026, I'm sitting in my room in Dinajpur, Bangladesh, running Mr. Marketing, my digital marketing agency, and I am also a second year university student studying economics. Time is tight, but I kept seeing all those TikTok success stories, and I thought, is this real, or is everything just showing their highlight reel? So I decided to find out from myself. The rules were simple. Post on TikTok videos every day for 30 days, stay focused on affiliate marketing content, track everything, views, engagement, clicks, commissions, be completely transparent about what works, about what does not now. Before I started, I had maybe 200 followers on TikTok. I was not same influencer. I was not even particularly good at making short from content. My background, I have been in digital marketing since December 2021. Started by watching a YouTube video during COVID, failed at basically everything for the first year. Online service, CPA marketing, Facebook ads, all of it. The only reason I am still here is because I tried every failure as an expensive education. And trust me, that this 30-day challenge give me some more tuition or fees to pay. So what was my actual approach? Because you can't just post random stuff and hope it works. First, I choose my niche carefully. I focused on beginner-friendly affiliate marketing tips, especially targeting people who are curious about making money online but don't know where to start. Why? Because that was me 4 years ago. I understand their question, their fears, their objections. Second, I started the platform. Here's what most people get wrong about TikTok in 2026. They think it is still the dance app from 2022. It's not. The algorithm now heavily favors educational content, especially in the business and finance niches. But, and this is critical, it has to be entertaining and valuable. You can't just lecture people, you need to hook them in 3 seconds. Deliver value in 30 and leave them wanting more. My content formula looked like this. First 3 seconds, pattern interrupt, a bold statement, a question, or a something visual that stops the scroll. Next 15 seconds, the promise what they are about to learn. Middle 30 seconds, the actual value, tips, strategy breakdown. Last 10 seconds, call to action, actually pointing them to my link in bio. Third, I pick affiliate products strategy. I don't promote garbage. These are important. I only promote tools I actually use in my businesses, as software, email marketing platforms, quantification tools. Why? Because when you genuinely believe in something, it shows in your content. People can smell fake recommendation from a mile away. I use platforms like Amazon Affiliate, ClickBanks for digital products, and some sales affiliate programs. The commission rates range in 4% to Amazon to 30 to 40% on software subscriptions. Week on was really humbling. My first video, 247 views. No click to my affiliate link, $0 made. My second video, 89 views. On link click, still $0. By the 5, I was questioning everything. I am sitting there at 11 p.m. after a full day of university classes, trying to film content on phone and thinking, is this ever worth it? But here's what I learned from my marketing days back in 2018 and 19. When something not working, you don't just keep up. You diagnose it problem. So I started analyzing what the successful creators in my niche were doing differently. 3 things stood out. They were more direct with their hooks. Instead of today, I went to talk about affiliate marketing. They were saying things like, I made $347 yesterday doing this. Here's exactly how. 2. They showed their faces, sound obvious, but I was trying to hide brain stain recording and stock footage. People connect with you, not with anyone, not with anonymous content. 3. They were creating conversion starters, the videos that platform-based with not just impression dumps. They asked questions, they challenged assumptions, they invited comments. So I adjust by the end of this week. Week on, my best video hit 1200 views. So still no sales, but I could see progress. Week 2 is when things started clicking. I posted a video breaking down the 3 biggest mistakes beginners can make in affiliate marketing. It was based on my own failures, the service that went nowhere, the CPA campaigns that lost money, the Facebook ads that burned through my budget. That video got 8,400 views in 48 hours. Why? Because it was real. I was not pretending to be the same guru who never failed. I was just someone a few steps ahead, reaching back to help, and absolutely people respond to that. More importantly, I got 23 clicks to my affiliate links and made my first commission, 47.88 cents. Now I went what you are thinking. 4% 2 weeks of daily posting does not sound amazing. You are right, but here's what changed for me. I provide the model works. Those are not fake clicks, those are real people who watched my content, tested my recommendation and took action. By the week 3, I hit a better fuel for what resonated. I posted a video about a tool I use for my agency. Completely honest review, showed the actual dashboard, explained exactly how I use it. The video did 12,300 views and generated $156 in commission from software sign up. 3 patterns become clear. The more specific and honest I was, the better the result. Generic advice got generic result. But when I showed my actual process, my actual tools, my actual struggles, that's when people paid attention. I also noticed something interesting about the TikTok algorithm. Consistency matters more than perfection. My best performing videos are not the ones I spent 3 hours editing. There were ones where I just talked directly to the camera, shared something useful and posted it. Alright, so let's talk about actual numbers. Because that's what you are really here for, right? Total views across 30 videos, 47,286 average views per video, 1,576 total profile visits, 892 clicks, links, 167 conversion rate, 18.7%. Click to sales, total affiliate commissions, 823.45 bucks. Now let me break it down because the raw numbers don't tell you the whole story. Top performing videos, 15,700 views. It was about the free tool I use for keyword research. Made zero that video directly because it's not promoting a paid product, but it's about a 147 new followers who later saw my other content. Most profitable videos, 6,200 views, promoted an email marketing platform I use. Generated $284 in commission from 3 annual subscription. Worst performing video, 34 views. I tried to make a motivational video about persistence. It was too Vegas, no clear value, and honestly, it was lazy content. Here's what this taught me. Volume does not equal revenue. Quality target content beats random daily post. If I had only posted 15 videos, but made it on really delayed in my audience specific products, I probably would have made more money. The other thing, TikTok algorithm is unpredictable, but it's the reverse speed. My videos that performed best were posted between 7 to 9 p.m. Bangladesh time, right when your target audience is the US was waking up, scrolling during their morning coffee. If I started this challenge over today, here's exactly what I changed. Focus on favor better videos. Instead of focusing myself to post every day, I did post 4 to 5 times a week, but make each piece of content more intentional. Quality compounds in a way that quality does not. 2. Builds an email list from day 1. I was sending people directly to affiliate links. Bad move. I should have been capturing emails first, then nurturing those leads. The real money in affiliate marketing is not the first click, it's in the follow-up. 3. Beats content creation. Filming every single day. I was exhausting, especially while running a business, going to university. I did set aside 1 day a week, record 4 to 5 videos, then schedule them out. 4. Test thumbnails were aggressively. Yes, TikTok is not YouTube, but the first frame matters. Videos with the next overlaps on the first frame from got 34 more views on average. 5. Engage more with comments. I got decent engagement, but I was lazy about responding. The algorithm rewards Twitter interaction. Every comment I replied to increased the choice that video got shown to more people. Here's the thing nobody tells you about those challenges. The money is niche, but that's not the point. I made $823 in 30 days. That's about $224.7 a day. Not life-changing, but quite your job money. But that's actually not what matters. The matter is this. I built a system. I proved it. I could constantly create content that attracts the right audience and converts them into a customer. And system scale month 2, I can optimize, I can focus on what worked and cut what don't. I can build on those 892 profile visits and turn my into them into followers. I can nurture the email list I am now building. This is how real online businesses and build. No what on viral video or lucky break. But with constant study and effort that compounds over time. Remember back when I told you about my project Walton CPA that's completely failed in 2023? That failure taught me the difference between what people need and what I think they need. This TikTok challenge reinforced that lesson. People don't win hype, they win honestly, they win real stories from real people who have been actually done the work. So if you're thinking about studying affiliate marketing on TikTok, here's my honest advice. Start smart. Don't just copy what everyone else is doing. Find your angle, what unique perspective or experience do you bring. For me, it's bring the guy who failed at 4 years straight, learned from it, and now she has both wins and losses. What yours? Drop a comment and let me know. Are you already posting on TikTok? What's your biggest challenge with consistency or with affiliate marketing in general? I read every comment and I will respond with actual advice, not generic guru step. And if this video helped you to see what's actually possible, the real, unglamorous, daily gained version of building an online income, hit the like button and subscribe. I make on video a week breaking down real stories from real experiments. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.